Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to view all the apps average memory usage in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on developer options. Now in developer options, click on memory, and then from here you can select the hours to check the memory. If you want to check the memory of previous one day, then select one day, and here it will show you the total usage of memory. And to check the app's average memory usage, click on memory usage, and then it will allow you to view all the apps average memory usage in your mobile. So that's how you can view all the apps average memory usage in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.